Royal Play Equipment introducing 20mm landscape artificial grass is the perfect solution for enhancing any outdoor space, whether it's your backyard, garden, rooftop, or beyond. Designed to cater to the needs of homeowners, landscapers, property developers, and more, this grass offers unmatched versatility. Enjoy the benefits of a low-maintenance lawn that stays lush and vibrant all year round. With its durable construction and ability to withstand all weather conditions, you can count on our artificial grass to provide lasting beauty and functionality. Featuring a 20mm pile height, a density of 13,900, and a Detex of 6,300, along with an all-green color and a 2-layer black backing, our grass is engineered to exceed your expectations. Say hello to effortless outdoor perfection with Royal Play Equipment's 20mm landscape artificial grass.